Double-click to open the software. Press Ctrl and scroll your mouse to adjust the display size of the layout. On the top, you can see it is V1.23 version. On the right top, we can change the language and scale. After you change the language, restart the software will take effect. Scale unit has m/com/inch to choose. Click the left top button to create a new job. Different images can be imported in each job. The second button is to load the job. The third one is to load image into the software. Move the image to the center. Save the image as a job. Then you can load it next time with your setting. Now I am showing how to load a saved job. You can import multiple images into the layout. This is Undo button. Cancel Undo Auto Layout, which can copy the image automatically. The rows means copies on the vertical. The cols means copies on the horizontal. You can also change the left and right and top and bottom spacing. This is the center button. It will automatically adjust the pattern to the middle of the canvas. This button is used to adjust the paper size. You can change to your printer size. A 3/297*, 420mm, A3 roll printer, 297/330*, 1000mm. This button is used to hide the scale. Setting button. Here we need to choose 100% white color under any colored pixel. It will make print a layer of white ink as the background for colors. Now I will show you image rotation function. Since DTF prints need to be transferred to the fabric, we need to print the mirrored image. This is horizontal mirror. This is a vertical mirror. XY stand for the position of your image. W. H stand for the width and height of the image. Here is white ink. If you want to do DTF printing, you must add W1 and W2 here. These options are brightness, contrast, and saturation adjustments. Click the RIP button, and the adjustment dialog windows will pop up. Here is used to adjust the printing resolution. The higher the resolution, the clearer the picture will be printed. Here is the ICC profile in RGB and CMYK format. No additional adjustments are required. Here you can adjust the percentage of different color inks. The default is 68. You can adjust it according to your needs. If you feel that the white print is thinner, you can increase the percentage of white ink. These options are generally not used. Pay attention to the setting of white and color relation here to choose 2-layer base color. If 2-layer base white is selected, it will print a layer of white at the beneath of color, which is not suitable for DTF printing. Here you can choose to print automatically after the ripping is completed. Otherwise, you need to manually click print after the ripping is completed. Here you can see the process of ripping. Here you can set the number of copies. It will print multiple times according to your setting. Here you can choose the output printer. Here you can see all managed printers. Here is where the file is saved after ripping. Click in the blank space to pop up the option and select Printer Preference to open the maintenance page of the printer. Commonly used functions are nozzle check, head cleaning, and power ink flush. We recommend doing a head cleaning or power ink flush before starting the first printing job in the morning and then doing a nozzle check to check the status of the print head. Open the printer queue. We can see the printing task.